Semrush versus Hubspot. What is the best tool? Welcome back. Today we're comparing two industry-leading tools that can elevate your digital marketing game, Semrush and Hubspot. Let's break down which one is the best tool for your needs. Now, as for an overview, Semrush is primarily known for its powerful SEO and competitive research features. It's perfect for analyzing websites, finding keywords, and understanding what's working for your competitors. HubSpot, on the other hand, is a comprehensive inbound marketing platform. It's an all-in-one solution for managing emails, CRM content, and social media. When it comes to SEO, Semrush takes the lead. It offers in-depth keyword research, backlink tracking, and site audits. It's designed for marketers who want to dig deep into SEO data. HubSpot offers SEO tools as well, but it's not as robust as Semrush in this department. HubSpot shines with its CRM, email marketing, and customer service features. It's the best option if you're looking for an integrated marketing solution. For pricing, Semrush operates on a subscription-based model with three pricing tiers, starting from $119 per month. HubSpot, while offering a free tier, gets pricey as you scale, especially for marketing hubs and CRM tools, which can go up to $3,000 per month for enterprise plans. So which one is best? If SEO is your top priority, Semrush is the clear winner. It's designed for detailed data analysis and tracking performance. But if you're looking for a more holistic marketing approach, combining email marketing and lead nurturing and CRM management, HubSpot is the better choice. It's a one-stop shop for inbound marketing. So to sum it up, Semrush is unbeatable for SEO professionals and digital marketers focusing on research or search visibility. For HubSpot, however, it's better for business needing an integrated approach to inbound marketing with CRM functionalities. And that's it for today's comparison. Thanks for watching.